Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GenI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipped washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium conveniently located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning merges computer science with AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve complex problems. Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar, studying in computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning at Guru Nanak institutions. Our curriculum dives deep into the realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting edge of computing skills to tackle complex problems. Supportive atmosphere of our faculty, combined with engaging and informative classes, makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace a philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute also provides specialized courses in fields like IoT, cybersecurity, and data sciences, ensuring students to have a range of options pursuing their passion. Join us at GNI, where knowledge meets innovation and excellence becomes a tradition.
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GenI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipped washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium conveniently located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together. Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GenI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium conveniently located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning merges computer science with AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve complex problems. Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar, studying in computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning at Guru Nanak institutions. Our curriculum dives deep into the realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting edge of computing skills to tackle complex problems. Supportive atmosphere of our faculty, combined with engaging and informative classes, makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace a philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute also provides specialized courses in fields like IoT, cybersecurity, and data sciences, ensuring students to have a range of options pursuing their passion. Join us at GNI, where knowledge meets innovation and excellence becomes a tradition.
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GenI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium conveniently located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
ఒకసారి మాట్లాడు. హలో హలో ఒక నిమిషం వస్తుంది. Please join the link immediately and కనిపిస్తుందా?
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GNI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium concurrently located in the first.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
మీరు జాయిన్ అవుదాం అది.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning merges computer science with AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve complex problems. Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar, studying in computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning at Guru Nanak institutions. Our curriculum dives deep into the realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting edge of computing skills to tackle complex problems. Supportive atmosphere of our faculty, combined with engaging and informative classes, makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace a philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute also provides specialized courses in fields like IoT, cybersecurity, and data sciences, ensuring students to have a range of options pursuing their passion. Join us at GNI, where knowledge meets innovation and excellence becomes a tradition.
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GNI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium concurrently located in the first.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
Good morning. Let me check for 2 minutes for the readiness of everything, and we will start with the event. Just give me 2 minutes. Thank you.
Sharanji.
Good morning. Good evening.
Your good evening, our good evening. So just we are going to start in another 2-3 minutes.
guests, respected judges, enthusiastic participants, and dedicated organizers. I am Uma Maheshwari and joining me is Syed Mansoor.
We are honored to be a host for Virtual Vista 1.0, the national level online project competition, organized under the banner of IEEE Computer Society at Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Camp, Hyderabad.
Today we come together to celebrate the confluence of innovation, creativity, and technological excellence. We are thrilled to host participants from across the nation, each showcasing excellent projects in diverse fields such as software development, mobile application, web solutions, embedded systems, the Internet of Things, and robotics. This event serves as a unique platform for multi-sectoralists to demonstrate their skills, share their innovative ideas, and contribute to the technological advancement of tomorrow.
To commence today's event, we would like to extend a warm welcome to all our dignitaries and our chief guests.
So especially this virtual Vista 1.0, I'd like to invite Dr. Keynote, IEEE advisor and head of department of CSC and GNIDC to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning, esteemed chief guest, jury members for today's event. Our authorities from GNI Group, respected director sir, respected joint director sir, associate director sir, Dr. Kundra sir, and for IEEE CS, IEEE student chapter chairperson Mr. Chandrakiran, vice chair Mr. Rahman, and IEEE CS chairperson Pranav Vochala. So welcome all to this inauguration of national level online project competition Virtual Vista first version. So I am delighted to welcome you all on this event. To brief about the event, we started with the registrations in the two categories for UG and PG students in the category of software and software plus hardware combination. So we got very huge entries from all over India, spanning across the states from Kerala up to Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, and even from Odisha and Maharashtra, and to name, there are around 15 states we got entries all over from India. So overall participation, if we consider member-wise, it is 413 members registered in this event. And as
Information
team-wise,
technology
if we
fuels
consider,
global
we have
innovation
given
and
a team size
connectivity,
of
shaping the
4
modern
persons.
digital landscape and
So
powering
team-wise, we
essential
got entries
services.
of
Hello, I'm
142
Aarti, currently
teams.
pursuing BTech in
So that was
Information
a very
Technology at this
great
college.
response
GenI
we have
provides tools
received.
and resources
And
to gain
our
both theoretical
team
knowledge
of
and hands-on
jury
experience.
members, they
Our
have
dedicated professors are not
evaluated
only
for the
experts in their
first round,
fields but
and
also
we
passionate about
shortlisted
guiding us
top
through our
50
academic journey.
teams
Our campus is spread
in
across
various
100 acres
categories.
of greenery,
So in this
creating
we
a
are
great
having
place to
30
learn, complemented
software
by
teams
well-ventilated
and
classrooms and
20
modern
teams are in
laboratories.
hardware
We
plus
have
software.
modern facilities like
So
IoT,
today
equity
is
washing
the
machines, and
final
well-maintained gymnasium
demonstration and
concurrently
final
located in the
round
hostel.
of this
Join GNI where we learn,
national level
innovate
event.
and excel together.
And we are having all the jury members in various panels.
Artificial intelligence
from
and machine
industry,
learning
renowned
matches computer
industry.
science with
So,
AI and ML, empowering
this
students to
is,
innovate and solve complex problems.
the
Hi,
objective
I am
of this
Ranjit Kumar,
event
studying in computer science,
is
artificial
to
intelligence
give
and
a
machine learning at Guru Nanak
platform to
institutions.
the
Our
budding
curriculum dives
technocrats
deep into the
all
realms
over
of
the
AI
India
and ML,
to
equipping us
showcase
with
their
cutting edge
talent,
of
to
computing
showcase their
skills
idea,
to tackle
to
complex
present
problems.
their
Supportive atmosphere of our
ideas
faculty,
for the
combined with
benefit of the
engaging and
society
informative
and the
classes,
research.
makes learning a joy.
So
At
I
GNI,
welcome
we embrace
you
a
all,
philosophy that learning is
all
a
the
lifelong journey,
participants,
and our
as
educational
well
approach
as
reflects this
all
principle.
the
We offer a
dignitaries,
diverse
jury
range of
members.
extracurricular
Warm
activities
welcome
such
to
as
all of you
sports,
for this
cultural
event.
events, seminars,
I
and
really
workshops to
extend my
enhance your
thanks
college
to,
experience. Our
all
institute
the
also provides
committee
specialized courses in
members
fields
who have
like
organized this
IoT,
event.
cybersecurity,
I wish
and
them
data
good
sciences,
luck.
ensuring
All the best
students
to
to
all
have
the
the range of options
participants.
pursuing their
Don't
passion.
get disheartened.
Join us at
Even
GNI,
if
where
you
knowledge
are
meets
losing,
innovation and
you
excellence
are
becomes a
presenting on
tradition.
the national level platform. It means itself that you are the winner. So thank you. With
Information
this, I will
technology
end
fuels
my,
global innovation and connectivity,
words. Thank
shaping
you
the
very
modern
much.
digital landscape and powering
Over to
essential
Uma.
services. Hello,
Thank you,
I'm
ma'am, for your
Aarti,
warm
currently
welcome. Next, we
pursuing
would like
BTech
to
in
invite
Information
Dr. Harish
Technology
Kundra,
at this
IEEE Branch
college.
Coordinator,
GenI provides
Dean of
tools and
Students and
resources to
Faculty
gain
Affairs at
both
GNITC,
theoretical
to
knowledge
share
and
his
hands-on
thoughts.
experience. Our dedicated professors
Thank
are
you very
not
much.
only experts in their fields
Honorable
but
Chief Guest
also
of the day,
passionate about
Mr.
guiding
Sharad
us
Bajaj,
through our academic journey.
distinguished
Our
jury
campus
members
is
from
spread
various
across
top
100
MNCs,
acres of greenery,
participants
creating
from
a
various
great place
colleges,
to learn,
and my dear
complemented
colleagues.
by well-ventilated classrooms
A very
and
good
modern
morning and warm
laboratories.
welcome
We
to
have
all of
modern
you in the
facilities
today
like
event.
IoT, equity
We
washing
are
machines,
organizing
and
a
well
national
maintained
level
gymnasium
project
completely
competition,
located in the first.
Virtual Vista
Join
1.0,
GNI where we learn,
under the
innovate and
banner of
excel together.
IEEE Computer Society. As informed by Dr. Geeta Madam, 142 teams and 413 participants registered from various states of the country like Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, and many more other states. So, 50 best projects have been shortlisted, including 30 software-based projects and 20 hardware-based projects by the selection team based on various parameters. So, I would like to congratulate all the participants for their active involvement in this event. I am thankful to the management for granting permission to conduct this event. Special thanks to the chief guest of the day, Mr. Sharad Bajaj, who is working as the engineering leader at Amazon Web Services, and the jury members for accepting our invitation and sparing their time for their cooperative leadership. We are grateful to you, sir, and congratulations to Dr. Geeta Madam, Head of Department of CSE, for taking this initiative. I would like to extend congratulations to all the faculty members and students who are the part of the organizing team for this grand event. Once again, my best wishes to all the shortlisted participants for their outstanding performance and success in winning the prizes. So thank you very much, and thanks to all the jury members and our chief guest of the day for giving us your valuable time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your profound insights and expertise. Now let's hear from Dr. Sayar, IEEE Branch Counselor and Associate Director at GNI.
Please, sir. Big welcome to all the delegates, all the jury members. A big welcome to all the participants. My director, Dr. Venkatraman sir, my director, Pastor sir, all the faculty members, student welfare. Department of CSE has always believed in student-centric academic activities. In fact, right from the inception year 2001, we have been doing many such events, many such activities, only to focus on the academics of the students to see that things get betterment for the students. In fact, this virtual Vista 1, it's a virtual activity, but 2007-8 we were conducting such events in the name of innovations, national level, state level innovations, project demonstration. That was basically we used to call students from all over India to the campus. First time, then there was a gap. Now, first time CSE has again taken initiative after the gap. And a lot of very good participation has come out from all over India. In fact, very good responses come from Tamil Nadu also, and from North India as well, under the banner of IEEE. So, in fact, after IEEE has started off our campus, things have really moved very fast. So big congratulations to all IEEE members also for initiating such an event, big event. And I hope that probably next year it will not be virtual this time, it will just be Vista. Rather than calling up the virtual, we'll be putting up a virtual Vista, and then we'll be inviting students from all over India. We have been doing, as I said, we have been doing such events like just 15 days before we have closed down Techno Week, a 6-day event covering all the departments. Last year we have conducted National Hackathon with almost 700 teams from all over India. We have been conducting international conference from last 15 years. Last 2 years we have stopped because of the COVID. In fact, so things have been going very good for students and student-centric events. Thanks to all the Department of CSE active members and other departments. Hope things move very fast in terms of academics. And projects which we have got out from the demos are really good enough. Shows daily innovations. In fact, as I said you, 2007 when we started, it was actually named Innovations. So I hope there are innovations in these projects, certain very good innovations, and we can put up some good research papers also through these innovations, through the students. And just to mention that this year, from all the projects which we have done in the campus, the data which I have, around 220 papers, research papers have been projected from the project, including my own project. I have guided 5 projects and 3 research papers.
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GenI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium concurrently located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate,
Once
and
again,
excel
very big
together.
thanks to all the jury members and Sharat Bajaj sir. Once again, a big thanks to you sir for sparing your
Artificial
valuable time.
intelligence and machine learning
Probably
merges
at night
computer
right now
science
you
with
are,
AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve
Sleep
complex
time for you,
problems.
but still,
Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar,
sparing
studying
your
in
time.
computer
Big
science,
thanks to
artificial
you.
intelligence and machine learning at
Carry on,
Guru Nanak
Kumar.
institutions.
All the best.
Our curriculum
All the
dives
best to
deep
all the
into the
participants.
realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting-edge
Thank
of
you,
computing
sir.
skills
Appreciate your
to tackle
expertise and
complex
valuable
problems.
insights here.
Supportive
Now
atmosphere
let's hear
of
from
our
Dr.
faculty,
Spiky,
combined with
Studies,
engaging
Joint
and informative
Director at
classes,
GNI.
makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace a philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute
good
also
morning and good
provides
afternoon,
specialized
chief
courses
guests.
in fields like
Yes, Vanessa.
IoT, cybersecurity,
Really happy
and data
and
sciences,
proud
ensuring students to have a range of
GNITC
options
always
pursuing their passion.
running good
Join
events
us
for
at
the benefit
GNI,
of the
where
students.
knowledge meets innovation
Definitely this
and
kind
excellence
of
becomes a
projects
tradition.
helps the students team spirit, technical knowledge exchange. More than that, useful for the
Information technology fuels
I'm
global
requesting you,
innovation and
all the
connectivity,
participants,
shaping
please
the
exchange the
modern
knowledge.
digital landscape
Please
and powering
continue your,
essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti,
journey,
currently
not only
pursuing
one or
BTech
two
in
projects.
Information Technology
They
at
prepare
this
one
college.
project and
GenI
continue
provides
for
tools and
as a-
resources
for
to
those
gain
speakers
both theoretical
inform
knowledge
that
and hands-on
content is
experience.
purpose of
Our
study.
dedicated professors are not only
Beyond the
experts in
syllabus
their
is always
fields,
focused on
but
GNITC.
also passionate about
These kind
guiding
of
us
participants
through
are
our
really
academic
useful
journey.
for the
Our
placements
campus is
as well
spread
as
across 100
self-
acres of greenery,
confidence.
creating a great place to learn,
Myself,
complemented by
wish you all the best.
well-ventilated classrooms
Special
and
thanks
modern
to the chief guest
laboratories.
today.
We have
Sharat
modern
Bajaj, sir,
facilities
from
like
the
IoT,
spending a more
equipment
valuable
washing
time
machines, and
with us.
well-maintained
Thank you.
gymnasium
Wish you all the
concurrently
best.
located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
Thank you, Director sir. We have. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Director sir. Thank you very much, sir. And Joint Director sir has also joined the meet. So, Uma, please further request to sir for addressing the gathering.
No problem, madam. I will start. Good morning to all the members, respected dignitaries, and a warm welcome on behalf of the Guru Nanak institutions to the chief guest, Mr. Sharat Bajaj, engineering leader, Amazon Web Service USA, and the jury members, Mr. J. Santosh Kiran, Mr. Siddharth Leo, Mr. M.A. Rao, and Mr. U. Arjun, and Mr. P. Kumar. They are sparing their valuable time. Welcome to all the participants. All the best.
Thank you, everyone. Can you guys hear me clear?
Yes, you are audible.
Oh, thank you. First of all, thank you for the invitation and giving me this opportunity to talk about this very special event organized by the university. And thank you to all the organizers, and a special thank you to all the participants, because this event is about them. And a little bit about myself. I have, as Uma shared, that I have 2 decades of experience. Throughout my experience, I have learned a lot. I have spent almost 15 years at Microsoft and almost like 5 years at Amazon Web Services. At my tenure at Microsoft has been a great learning experience, a very rich experience where I have learned a lot of things, where I have got the opportunity to work on the diverse set of products like Outlook, Bing, MSN, and I am very proud to say that I am one of the founding members for the Microsoft Teams. That has been a great experience I had at Microsoft, and after Microsoft I joined Amazon Web Services, and at Amazon Web Services I worked with Amazon Contact Center, where it caters to deliver solution to build a customer support at a low cost and high performance. So as we are gathered today, my message to all the participants who are shortlisted, all those are not shortlisted, is going to be as I think many members in this meeting have repeated, participation is more important than winning anything. And I always believe your availability is more important than your ability. If you're available to this event, first of all, you're not going to miss any opportunity. Opportunity to learn from others, opportunity to learn from the process, opportunity to learn to accept the victory, or if you are not shortlisted. These are real things in life. As you progress towards your career, when you start doing a job, many such situations will come. These all are the events, your professors, whatever you are teaching and wherever they are challenging you in the college. These all are the learning for you to get ready for your career, because these are the things you will be challenged. Here you are learning not only the academic things, but how to deal with the challenging situations as well. How to work in pressure, how to work in time constraint, how to work in a resource constrained environment. Software engineering is something that's very hard to predict schedule. In my 30 years of 25 plus years of experience, where I have participated, contributed, or led many software engineering projects, I never saw a single project was ever delivered on time. But throughout this process, we always have learned how to trade off, how to learn to
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GenI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipped washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium concurrently located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
Thousands of lines of code is of no use. Never attach yourself to the code.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning merges computer science with AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve complex problems. Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar, studying in computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning at Guru Nanak Institution. Our curriculum dives deep into the realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting edge of computing skills to tackle complex problems. Supportive atmosphere of our faculty, combined with engaging and informative classes, makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace the philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute also provides specialized courses in fields like IoT, cybersecurity, and data sciences, ensuring students to have a range of options pursuing their passion. Join us at GNI, where knowledge meets innovation and excellence becomes a tradition.
Please not only focus on the destination to win, but enjoy the process.
Information technology
Enjoy
fuels
the
global
event
innovation and
as
connectivity,
connect
shaping
with
the
each
modern
other,
digital
try to
landscape
learn
and
the
powering essential
different
services.
perspectives
Hello,
of
I'm
different
Aarti,
things.
currently pursuing BTech in
Because
Information
when you're gonna
Technology
go at
at
the
this
job,
college.
you're
GNI
gonna
provides tools and
encounter
resources
different
to gain both theoretical
those
knowledge and
things
hands-on
different.
experience.
And
Our dedicated
in my
professors are
25
not
years of
only experts in their
experience, one thing I
fields
have
but
learned
also
is that learning
passionate
always
about
comes
guiding us
from the
through our
people who
academic
don't think the
journey.
way you think.
Our campus is spread
Try to
across
challenge
100 acres
yourself.
of greenery,
Connect with
creating
the
a
people
great
who
place
don't
to
think
learn,
the way
complemented
you
by
think,
well-ventilated
and have a
classrooms
good
and
relationship
modern
with them.
laboratories.
We have modern
We
facilities like
most of the time
IoT,
tend
equity
to
washing machines,
very
and
comfort
well-maintained
zone,
gymnasium
where, oh, this
completely
person
located in the
is
hostel.
with a
Join
similar
GNI
background
where
from
we
a
learn,
similar
innovate
college,
and
similar
excel
city,
together.
and I have my comfort zone with that person. Whereas the growth comes in a non-comfort zone. Try to put yourself always in uncomfortable position. Take the challenge at the job. When your manager asks you to do something, even if you haven't done something, show the enthusiasm. Be honest with yourself, but always willing to learn and to do things, new things. That's how you're gonna continuously grow in your career. There are a lot of lessons, one more thing is that I have wrote a book also. It's called Drive to Thrive. And if someone wants to learn more about it, I'm always that's why I'm here as well. And you should do the same. When you learn something, try to share it whether it's a language, whether it's a technology. When you are able to successfully teach to someone, that's a good validation to say that I have learned this, and that's how you're gonna spread the knowledge as well. Always try to find network with people and newer people and learn from them. When it comes to the latest trends in the technology, there are a lot of trends going on. The top trend right now in market, where generative AI is groundbreaking from Microsoft, from there's a background, and this sector has been applied in various starting from customer service, it assists the agent when you are calling a contact center for any customer support. The audio can be heard by generative AI and can suggest the solution based on the model it is trained on. Or generative AI make the engineer productive is being used for the code review. Amazon code review can write in a natural language and create a function in Java which perform certain things. It can generate the code for you. It can do a security review for you if you really want to say that can you scan this code and find out if there are any security vulnerability. It can do various things. Right now that is the upcoming thing, but if we think that this technology is widely adapted and everyone have figured it out how practically use it, it is not that the case. In past 2 to 3 years, I have experienced that generative AI is very new in the industry, but everyone is figuring out. This is not only about generative AI. It's all about AI and ML. It's a process. We continuously fine tune to make sure that it can cater towards the needs, specific needs, whether it's a medical field, whether it's a technology consume the data belongs to the companies, but companies have a full control what part of their data is being used, and they have a full transparency about it, full visibility about it, full control on it. Like, no, I don't want my data to be participated in training a model. I don't want my data to leave a certain boundaries. Companies are looking for such solutions. So security and compliance is number one thing. At Amazon also, we always say security is number one thing, and we take it very seriously. All the enterprises, big financial institutes, banks, always looking for cutting edge technology, but not at the cost of security. Security is a big deal. So when you learn any technology, always learn that what sort of guardrails it offers to make sure it offers the control in hands of the customer. That when they are adopting this technology, they are able to put in control or guardrail in place so that it does not let the data go where they don't want it to go. So this is very important. AI and ML and generative AI is very experimental area where it's kind of a research.
Information
Companies
technology
continuously
fuels
fine
global
tune
innovation and
and making
connectivity,
sure they can
shaping
get
the
a
modern
desired
digital
result.
landscape and powering essential
Right
services.
now,
Hello, I'm Aarti,
per
currently
my
pursuing
experience,
BTech in
nobody have
Information
deployed
Technology at
this
this
generative
college.
AI
GenAI provides tools and
into
resources to gain
their
both theoretical
production
knowledge
in a
and
way
hands-on
you can say
experience.
that
Our
generative
dedicated
AI is
professors are
doing
not only
everything.
experts in their fields
It's a
but also
generative AI based
passionate about
suggestion,
guiding us
and then
through
a
our
human
academic
make a
journey.
decision whether
Our
it's the
campus
right
is spread
outcome
across
that
100
they
acres
can
of
pursue.
greenery, creating a
The
great
other
place to learn,
misconception
complemented by
about
well-ventilated
industry,
classrooms
AI
and
is
modern
going to take over the
laboratories.
job
We
of
have
some
modern
people
facilities like IoT,
in the
equipped
industry
washing machines,
across the
and
board.
well-maintained
And this is
gymnasium
not right.
concurrently
The
located
way
in
we
the first.
always see
Join
that
GNI where we learn,
generative AI
innovate and excel
can
together.
make, or AI or ML can make people more effective and accurate. Because the
Artificial intelligence and machine learning matches computer science with AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve complex problems. Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar, studying in computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning at Guru Nanak Institution. Our curriculum dives deep into the realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting edge of computing skills to tackle complex problems. Supportive atmosphere of our faculty, combined with engaging and informative classes, makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace the philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute also provides specialized courses in fields like IoT, cybersecurity, and data sciences, ensuring students to have a range of options pursuing their passion. Join us at GNI, where knowledge meets innovation and excellence becomes a tradition.
Run their software in cloud because it offers them no maintenance.
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GenAI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipped washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium concurrently located in the first.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate and excel together.
Sorry for the somebody got connected.
Yeah, no worries. The other thing that I would say that like with the when we move the things on the cloud, the other thing comes is the operational maintenance. When you will be working at the bigger companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Oracle, these companies when they offer a solution in cloud, when they deploy something in cloud, one thing I have learned is whichever solution they offer doesn't matter what it is. The number one thing all these companies sell operations. They don't sell the innovation aspect. What does it mean the operation? Is if a company is relying on your website, which is a cloud, they expect higher availability of that service, which means that 99.99% of that service is always working. Make a service 99.99% is 30% of the time, 70% of the time we spend on various things. So have that perspective of this. When you are participating in this event, you must be ready for it. So having said that, I'm super excited to see all of you guys participating in this, and I wish you all a very good luck. May the best team win, may the best project win, and may all of you have a great career ahead. And I'm always available on LinkedIn. I'm super active on LinkedIn. If anyone have any question, feel free to reach out to me. And once again, thank you so much for the invitation, for the opportunity. I'm always, thankful and always feel humble to give back to the industry because I always believe it. Paying forward is the thing. We all should look for the opportunity how we can educate one person in our life, how we can share at least with one person. But here I have given the opportunity to share with so many people, and I really appreciate it. And thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and motivation. Words have truly put the film to play.
We now move on to the vote of thanks for the inauguration ceremony. I'd like to invite Dr. C.H. Raviman sir to express our gratitude.
Yeah, good morning, all of you. So, it's my privilege to express my vote of thanks on Virtual Vista 1.0. And this is the virtual, really we are proving that different people are from different locations with different software configurations and hardware configurations, all put together into one platform. It's a great thing. So this is a real justification for what is virtual and virtual mode. And I thanks to management, MD sir and VC sir for giving this
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GNI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium conveniently located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning merges computer science with AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve complex problems. Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar, studying in computer science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning at Guru Nanak institutions. Our curriculum dives deep into the realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting edge of computing skills to tackle complex problems. Supportive atmosphere of our faculty, combined with engaging and informative classes, makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace a philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute also provides specialized courses in fields like IoT, cybersecurity, and data sciences, ensuring students to have a range of options pursuing their passion. Join us at GNI, where knowledge meets innovation and excellence becomes a tradition.
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GNI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium conveniently located in the hostel.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together. Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GNI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium concurrently located in the first.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning merges computer science with AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve complex problems. Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar, studying in computer science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning at Guru Nanak institutions. Our curriculum dives deep into the realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting edge of computing skills to tackle complex problems. Supportive atmosphere of our faculty, combined with engaging and informative classes, makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace a philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute also provides specialized courses in fields like IoT, cybersecurity, and data sciences, ensuring students to have a range of options pursuing their passion. Join us at GNI, where knowledge meets innovation and excellence becomes a tradition.
Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GNI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipment washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium concurrently located in the first.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together. Information technology fuels global innovation and connectivity, shaping the modern digital landscape and powering essential services. Hello, I'm Aarti, currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology at this college. GNI provides tools and resources to gain both theoretical knowledge and hands-on experience. Our dedicated professors are not only experts in their fields, but also passionate about guiding us through our academic journey. Our campus is spread across 100 acres of greenery, creating a great place to learn, complemented by well-ventilated classrooms and modern laboratories.
We have modern facilities like IoT, equipped washing machines, and well-maintained gymnasium currently located in the first.
Join GNI where we learn, innovate, and excel together.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning merges computer science with AI and ML, empowering students to innovate and solve complex problems. Hi, I am Ranjit Kumar, studying in computer science, artificial intelligence and machine learning at Guru Nanak institutions. Our curriculum dives deep into the realms of AI and ML, equipping us with cutting edge of computing skills to tackle complex problems. Supportive atmosphere of our faculty, combined with engaging and informative classes, makes learning a joy. At GNI, we embrace a philosophy that learning is a lifelong journey, and our educational approach reflects this principle. We offer a diverse range of extracurricular activities such as sports, cultural events, seminars, and workshops to enhance your college experience. Our institute also provides specialized courses in fields like IoT, cybersecurity, and data sciences, ensuring students to have a range of options pursuing their passion. Join us at GNI, where knowledge meets innovation and excellence becomes a tradition.
Esteemed guests and participants, welcome to Virtual Vista 1.0, an event that promises to be a celebration of innovation and intellect. Before we dive into the heart of our competition, let me take a moment to set the stage and outline the proceedings. Our event today has been meticulously crafted to ensure a rigorous and fair evaluation process. We are honored to host five distinguished panel of judges comprised of industry stalwarts and academics. The commitment and expertise are invaluable as they assess these projects with keen insight and discipline. One second. Allow me to introduce Mohammad Abdul Raouf, an accomplished technical leader with over 9 years of experience in managing engineering teams. At Microsoft Customer Service and Support Organization, he led the strategy and adoption of data lakes, significantly advancing AI and analytical capabilities. Notably, he delivered the e-commerce shopping cart and checkout feature for Walmart and implemented major holiday features like one-hour guarantee. He also spearheaded the launch of Walmart Shipping Pass, a subscription-based program. Mr. Rawoof's expertise in building and scaling high-performance teams is evident from his success in doubling his team size from 10 to 26 engineers within a year. Technically, he has delivered projects using platforms such as Java, Oracle, and Node.js. Certified as a Scrum Master, he excels in training and leading agile teams, ensuring efficient project completion. In summary, his innovative contribution and exceptional management skills have significantly advanced the engineering teams and projects he has led. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Mohammad Abdul Rauf as one of our esteemed judges for Virtual Vista 1.0.
Thank you. Thank you for the brief introduction there. I really appreciate. So a little bit about myself. I'm not sure where you got that brief summary, but I really appreciate that. So I have close to 26 years of experience, and for the last 8 years, I've been with Microsoft. I recently left Microsoft to pursue something that I always wanted to do. So I'm now currently at that stage where I have to think about the next steps. But it was an exciting career at Microsoft, primarily focusing on Azure. I built applications that would foster open source, not just Microsoft Shop sort of an applications available on Azure, but promoting more of a open source ecosystem. So that's primarily what I did at Microsoft. Prior to that, I built applications for e-commerce, primarily for Walmart and eBay. A bulk of my time spent, working for these companies in US. So it's a very long, I would say, professional career. I would say 26 years. So it will not be enough for me to go over all of that. But I'm super excited to be here, and I'm really looking forward to the interesting demos. And I'm Thank you for the opportunity here.
Thank you, sir. Let me also take a moment to welcome our internal jury, Ms. Rajeshri, ma'am. Thank you for being here, ma'am, for assessing today's project. But before we proceed with the presentation, let's familiarize ourselves with the guidelines. Each team has been allotted a specific time slot of 10 to 15 minutes for their presentation, followed by a question and answer session. We kindly request all teams to adhere strictly to these time limits to ensure the smooth progression of the event. Now, without further ado, let's commence with the presentations. Our journey begins with batch A13 from GNITC presenting their project titled Multi-Perspective Computed Tomography Network for Osteoporosis. Team batch A13, please step forward to begin your presentation.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. We are from batch A13. Now we are here to explain
Nikita,
our... Yes,
Nikita,
ma'am.
on your video.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir, and all the respected coordinators and my teammates. Today we are here to present our PPT about the project. Our project is named as Multi-Perspective Computed Topography for Osteoporosis Classification. This project is used to classify the bone density. Upon classification, it will show the results how the density of the bone is, how many we can experience fractures or not. Now I will present our PPT and explain the project. This is our project, and she is our teammate Pravalika, and we are from Guru Nanak Institution's Technical Campus. Our project is multi-perspective computed topography network for osteoporosis class assessment, and this PPT contains abstract, introduction, literature survey, system architecture, existing system, proposed system, implementation, screenshots, and conclusion. Abstract. It is a osteoporosis is a skeletal disease. It is very difficult to identify in advance of symptoms. It is a skeletal disease. It can be known through the digital X-ray or CT scan. First, we have to take the CT scan of any bone fracture or anything or any bone. Then we have to upload in that method, and it will show the density of the bone or any weakness or strength or any calcium content like that. Introduction. Osteoporosis is a skeletal disease that increases the risk of fractures because of decrease in calcium mass and weakening of the bone strength. Over half of the fracture patients have never received a timely osteoporosis diagnosis. These multi-perspective computed tomography helps us in classifying the osteopenia and osteoporosis condition by using the CT scan. Early treatment of osteoporosis can reduce the bone fractures. Literature survey. Domain generalization for mammography detection via multi-style and multi-view contrastive learning. This is the literature survey. It also tells about the computer-aided diagnosis for mammography, same as related to the osteoporosis. According to the mammography, these vendors may the mammograph from different vendors may have possibly very expensive and sometimes impractical for the laboratory scale studies. So we went for the multi-view computed topography. System architecture. There is a there is a block. First, we have to consider the we have to upload the CT scan into the method. Then it will classify into the different blocks. That manifolded MVC network is used to divide the different blocks. After dividing, the one which has the highest number of fractions or any disease, it is taken as a component and then it applied to the manifolded value function, then we'll get the output. Existing system of multi-view computed topography is by using the we have self-supervised and semi-supervised learning. Here we use the natural language processing. Proposed system is natural language processing and convolutional neural network. In the field of medical, many professionals diagnose diseases by using CT scan by monitoring a specific HU range. This allows them to focus more than areas such as organs or bones. However, by using the CT scan, it will use the labeled scan. We can clamp the CT scans with HU within the specific ranges according to the different settings. Therefore, we can obtain two CT images with different texture information from each CT setting. Subsequently, we use the images as input for MVCnet. Now, my friend Pravalika will show you the implementation of our project through Anaconda.
Good morning, ma'am, and good morning, sir. Good morning, one and all present here. I'm Pravalika from batch A13. So I'm going to show the implementation of our project now. So we are using yes, sir. So we are using Anaconda prompt for our project. So this is the execution of our project. So we are activating the environment variables and copying the path. And this is how our final output of our project looks. This is the home page. So we have here we have the home page and here we have the abstract of our project. Here we are supposed to upload our images. So I'm selecting one image first. First, I'm selecting a normal image as the input to our software, and this will give the prediction as everyone can see, this will give the prediction as normal image. And when I give the input as osteoporosis, it predicts the output as osteoporosis. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, team, for that insightful presentation. So how well do you think the team presented?
So, team, be ready for questions from the jury members. Okay, sir, if you have any questions, you can ask.
Yeah. So, what is the technology? I didn't get that out very clearly. What is the key component that determines if there is osteoporosis or not? I missed that part. Can someone go over that one more time? Nikita?
Yes, sir.
I missed the key component of it. So as you upload the image, right, which detects if it is an osteoporosis or not, what is it that technology that you have used here which determines that? If you can help me out, understand, you know.
Prolika, can you share the screen of that? Sir, this is the prompt of our output, sir. Here we will use the MVC net, sir, multi-view computed topography. Then we have to upload the CT scan image. Then it will, based on the CT scan, it will predict whether it is not in normal condition or osteoporosis conditions.
Sure. No, I do definitely get that part. But the key part is when you have coded something, right? How does it scans and how does it figures out that this image is really, fine or osteoporosis? That's the part I was really missing. If you don't have answer, that's fine too. I was just curious. Awesome. No, it was great demo. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Team Batch A13, for your insightful presentation. Now let's proceed with our next team. Our next team is Spiky from.
Uma, 1 minute.
Yes.
Sir, did you note down the points?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. Nikita and Pravalika, what is the algorithm you have used in your project?
Convolutional neural networking.
Okay. Only one algorithm you have used, or any other algorithm?
Only one more. In natural language processing, we have used convolutional neural networking.
Okay. So your project comes under machine learning or deep learning or artificial intelligence?
From Python, artificial intelligence.
Python is not a domain, no, ma.
In an artificial intelligence.
Okay. Okay. Uma, you can call next team. And Uma and Pravalika, you can leave the session.
Yes, ma'am. Moving on to our next team, Team Spiky from Vignan Institute of Technology and Science, presenting their project titled Spiky. Team Spiky, please forward with your presentation. Please turn on your microphone.
Actually, you are on mute.
Good morning, everyone. We are Team Spiky. I am Santoshni and my teammate is Lakshman. We are from Vignan Institute of Technology and Science from AIML department. So coming to our project, we are Team Spiky and let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
No, when we see that your name shows up, but your desktop is not visible. Now it is.
Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, we are from Vignan Institute of Technology. Coming to Spiky, let me give you a little backstory where it has all started. So few days ago, one of my teammate lost his pet due to his inability to analyze the problem of a symptoms of a problem called bloat. Then his negligence costed his life's pet. And that's where we found that there are a lot of other pet parents who face the same problem, and there are a lot of other pets who lose their lives at half of their lifetime. So and that's where we found a pain point, and we wanted to come up with an idea which gives a solution for both pets and pet parents. And from that inspiration emerged this app that you can see right now is Spiky. Before getting into the solution, let us have a quick glance on the market right now. So coming to the global market, it is estimated to be 260 billion in now, and it is growing by a compound annual growth rate of 5 to 6%. And coming to India, it is growing very rapidly, like it is growing by 12 to 90%. That's where you can see there is a lot of scope for this project. You can see in India, there are if there are 10 households, 10 out of 6 households has a pet. So coming to us solution, our solution is Spiky, an app which can run on any operating systems, like it can run on Mac, OS, Windows, etc. And coming to our features, let me tell you two hero products of our Spiky, which are our chatbot and the community. Coming to chatbot, our chatbot gives you multiple features like pet suggestions, diet suggestions, pet food, and etc. Let me quickly give you a elaborated brief about all the features. Coming to our pet suggestions, like imagine you are a new pet parent, like you want to be a pet parent, you want to adopt somebody. So you don't know who which breed to adopt, right? So our chatbot helps you in giving you suggestions for which breed you can adopt based on your preferences and lifestyles. And coming to life suggestions, imagine you are a new pet parent, you got a new pet at your house, you don't know what to feed, or imagine your dog is underweight or overweight. Our chatbot will give you a customized diet plan for your pet according to its breed, according to your weight, height, weight, age, and etc. And we also have another product which is our community, which is a platform where all the pet parents can interact, they can talk to each other, and they can share their experiences, pet parenting journey, and expertise. Our community is just like Instagram, where you can like, share, post, etc. And now I would like to I would like to show you guys our chatbot. Am I is
So your
Lakshman,
voice
is my
seems to
screen
break up
visible?
a little bit for me at least. I'm not sure if others are also seeing the same. Rajshri ma'am, can you hear Santoshini fine?
It's actually there's an audio disturbance. If you can please manage that and proceed.
Santoshini,
Am I audible,
what is
ma'am?
happening is something is your audio is not that much clear. There is a break in between. Okay, and don't run. So
Okay, ma'am. Am I
and who is
audible now?
explaining? Yeah. Now who is explaining?
Yeah.
Lakshman is explaining.
Uh,
Yeah,
no, ma'am.
Lakshman, you
I'll
can
be
start.
showing you
Hello.
the chatbot.
Okay.
I will be showing the app and community.
Okay. 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 But don't rush.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Um,
You can start.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm just sharing my screen. This is how our chatbot looks like. Yeah. Yeah. When you can see, as you can see here in this chatbot, we don't need to initiate the conversation. When you press on the chat button, it itself initiates the conversation. And as you can see, our chatbot supports multimedia. That's the reason you can see a picture here, and you can also see a video here which can be played. Uh, uh, like we have added this video of a grooming service like, in a locality. So we see this video feature as a very good advertising tool where grooming services in particular town can advertise their grooming services. And after that, we wanted to give a little backstory of why we have started Spiky. So there's a little carousel of why we have started, like our vision, journey, and the story. Um, and after that, it will be asking you a few questions, and all the parameters will be saved in a table for further use. So the first question that it has asked is, are you a pet parent or you want to be a pet parent? So I am a pet parent, so I am clicking on I am a pet parent. Yeah. Yeah. Now, awesome. What kind of a pet do you have? I have a dog. So this is now it will ask you the parameters, few parameters for our details like our name, our pet name, etc. Yeah. What's the name of your furry friend? My furry friend's name is Oreo. It's a laboratory work, so it's a lab. How old? It is 3 years old. And it weighs 12 kgs. Yeah, what's my phone number? And my PIN number for address purpose. Yeah. After, as you can see, it has taken few parameters and all the parameters are saved in a table. So now it is asking me, hey there, here are some awesome features that we offer. Choose one. So I want to choose diet suggestions. Let us assume my dog is a bit underweight. So I wanted to have a weight gain plan. So I would like to ask, give me a elaborated 3 meal weight gain plan for my dog. Yeah, as you can see, it has given a 3 meal plan. Like for breakfast, let's start with high quality food. Let look for options that are packed with proteins and such a way you can also see measure the recommended amount of food based on Oreo's weight. You can see the answers are customized for user preferences. As I've given my dog's name is Oreo, you can see it is mentioned like Oreo in that chat. And this is the weight gain plan that it has suggested. So then it will ask you whether you want to continue the conversation or not. So let me press on yes. And when you press on yes, it will give the features of all the features that we have. Like yes. Here you can in the previous slide you cannot see pet suggestions, but now you can see pet suggestions also. So when I click on pet suggestions, now I can give it my lifestyle preferences. So that to that it will give you a dog breed that you can probably adopt. So let me give the I live with 2 kids in a 2 BHK apartment. Suggest me a dog breed.
Your time up, so you can take 1 more minute to complete your PPT.
Okay, ma'am. As you can see, you can here it has suggested to consider a medium-sized dog breed like a Charles Spaniel, Beagle, or etc. So as we have a less time constraint and we have a lot to show, I would like Lakshman to show the app interface and the community. Lakshman, you can show the
I will be
app.
showing the app interface.
Here you can go for health analytics, community. Right.
Is my screen visible?
Thank you, Team Spiky, for the presentation. Now let's proceed with the questions.
Yeah.
Lakshman, your screen is not visible.
So no,
Can
screen
we
is
have
not visible. And one more thing is we are going for question answer now. Okay, question answer session.
Okay.
Sir will be asking you some questions. Be ready with your answers.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I think definitely looks like very exciting. So question here is, what technology did you use to get those answers customized?
Just so
Yeah, we are
as for
using a
chatbot,
technology framework called BotPress.
One
Is my
minute, one
voice
by one
audible?
answer. Don't overlap.
okay.
Yeah. Is my voice audible?
Yes, Lakshman,
Yeah.
you can talk.
Yeah. For chatbot, we have gone through technology framework called BotPress, in which we can create a chatbot with our custom knowledge bases. We have fed it with our custom knowledge bases of multiple PDFs of pet diets and pets disease analysis and all. If in case the user query is not uh, getting answer from the knowledge base, then the chatbot will going to trigger AI API, and then it is getting answer from the chat GPT. The only 10% of the cases it is going for chat GPT API. Around 90% it is giving answers from the knowledge base.
Okay, that's great. So did you train this when it is not going to chat GPT? Did you train the model to give answers?
Yeah. We are looking for huge data sets. Upon feeding huge data, we can get 100% answers from the knowledge base itself. As we are lack of data sets related to pet health and all, we are getting 10% of the answers from the chat GPT.
So from where you got this data set?
It's from internet,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I
Like
didn't get it.
few
No, internet means which
websites.
repository? Which repository? Which repository?
We didn't get it. Ma'am, we just figured the PDFs of the books that veterinary doctors who will study the books of pet related diseases and all, we are feeding that PDF to this knowledge base.
Lakshman and Santoshini, there are. You are from which year?
We are from second
Which
year,
year?
ma'am.
Second year. Okay.
Second year.
Okay. Sir, any questions?
No, I think I'm good. Thank you.
We do have a lot more features.
Ma'am, can we have
Due to time constraints.
ma'am, can we have 2 more minutes to show the app?
No. We have to close it. We have to
Yeah,
allow the
just to
next
say, we
team.
are having a live community. We are having our community live, and that community supports live chatting throughout anywhere,
Okay.
from anywhere. Yeah.
Okay. All the best to both of you. So you can leave the session. We are starting the next team demonstration.
Thank you, team, for the presentation. Our next. Yes, ma'am.
Uma, who is taking screenshots? Pranit, are you taking screenshots? I'm a madam. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there. I have taken only one screenshot as of
No.
now.
For each project, take minimum 2 to 3 screenshots.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can join the next session, next team. Pranit.
Yes, ma'am. Our next team, Golden Triangle from Ishwari Engineering College, Tamil Nadu, with the title Mobile Network Jammer. Team Golden Triangle, floor is yours.
Lekha or Mahalakshmi, who is presenting?
Madhubhashni is presenting, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yep.
Visible.
You are requested to turn on your videos and please be specific and make sure there are no issues with the mic.
On your video, Uma. Not Uma, sorry. Madhubhashini or whoever is presenting, please on your video.
1 second.
All the participants, whoever is presenting in this session, on your videos. You can start.
Ma'am, shall we start the session?
Yeah, you can start. Time limit is only 10 minutes.
Lekha, you seems to be on the mute.
Lekha, you are mute.
Sorry, ma'am. Warm greetings to the delegates present here. We, Team Golden Triangle, are pleased to present our project, Mobile Network Jammer. Let me introduce my team members. I am Lekha, Madhubhashni, and Mahalakshmi. In this project, we are going to see an overview of this project, working, application, and finally we are going to see a video demo. Objective. The primary objective of this project is to disrupt the communication between the cell phones and the cell phone base station. Other specific objectives are privacy, security, communication disruption, and peace for certain quiet environments. Abstract.
So, Lekha, it seems like your slideshow is not moving on.
Madhu, is everything is okay?
Just a minute, sir. Actually, it's changing there.
That's fine. I think it need not be presentation mode. You can go on.
Abstract. With the proliferation of mobile phone networks, it has become an imperative to control its usage. The main motto of this project is to disrupt the communication between the cell phones and cell phones base station. Experimental results demonstrate the efficiency of this jammer, which prevents the signal receiving from mobile phones and cell phone base station. Over to Mahalakshmi.
Let's see the block diagrams of the mobile phone jammer. Here we are mainly includes the power supply and IF section, which is the intermediate frequency, which carry out the waves. And we have used the RF section, which is the radio frequency. It is generated to the frequency waves, which is from megahertz to gigahertz, which is used with the antenna. Next, we are move to simplify the explanation of components. Here I have used a 555 timer IC to generate the frequency that interferes with the signal frequency have used by the mobile phones. These frequency amplified by the transistor. We have used PF495. The amplified signals sent to the capacitor. We have used 4.7 PF to the antenna, which broadcasts the signal. These broadcasted signals create the interference with the mobile phone's ability to communicate with the cell tower. The components resistors are 5.6 kilo ohms and 6.8 kilo ohms. The resistor we have used 30 PF and 20 PF and 4.7 PF. And the transistor we have used PF 495 and 9 volt battery can use to power the entire circuit. The circuit can turn on off using a double switch, and the LED indicates the when it is powered. Next, move to the circuit diagrams. We have taken the breadboard and connected the connector pins for the batteries, and we connected the one negative end to the battery to switch and the positive end to the LED light for the indication, and we have connected the LED light wires to the resistor, which is 3.3 kilo ohm, and the negative end to the capacitor, which is 3.3 P of resistor, and we have connected the positive wire to the resistor 2, which is 6.8 kilo ohms resistor, and the resistor R1, which is 8.2 resistor. Now we connect the wire to the resistor 1, which is connected to the 7th pin of the 555 IC, and we have connected the capacitor, which is to the 2nd pin of the 555 IC, and next we have moved to the connecting wires of R1 to the 6th pin of the 555 timer IC. We have connected the 8th pin to the collector to the transistor, and we have first pin has been grounded. These all connection are
Mahalakshmi. Repeat is not visible.
Madhu, are you here?
You continue, Mahalakshmi. Let whoever is presenting present the PPT.
Okay, Madhu. We have connected the 3rd pin of the 555 IC to the capacitor, which is 1 UF. The connected capacitor to the base of the transistor, and we have connected the collector to the 30 PF trimmer capacitors and the emitter to the resistor 4, which is 220 ohms. And we have connected the 15 turns of antenna, which is made by copper, and we have used 15 turns, and we have put the wire to the 4th turn and the 3rd turn to connect the capacitor, which is 47 PF, and to the one end of the wires and to the other end of the wire of the capacitor, which is 47 pf, to the antenna to modify the radio frequency to jam the signals. Over to Madhubhashini.
So now let's see the working of this project. A mobile network jammer works by emitting radio frequency signals that interfere with mobile phone communications. It transmits signals at the same frequency as mobile phones but at a higher power, overpowering the legitimate signals between phones and cell towers. This causes phones to lose connection or experience severe service disruption, resulting in dropped calls and loss of data connectivity. Now let's see the applications. Educational institutions used to maintain silence in classrooms and libraries and to prevent cheating during exams by blocking cell phone signals. Security. In prisons, jammers can prevent illicit cell phone use by inmates. Cooperate settings to protect cooperate data and meetings from unauthorized surveillance and ensure that sensitivity discussions are not interrupted by cell phone usage. Theaters and cinemas. To maintain a distraction free environment and prevent privacy, some theaters and cinemas may employ mobile jammers to block signals during phone movie screenings. So the conclusion is mobile network jammer have both potential benefits and significant drawbacks. While they can enhance security and privacy in certain contexts by blocking unauthorized communication, their use raises serious legal, ethical, and practical concerns.
Sir, any questions?
Yeah. So how, I'm sure there are some jammers in the market currently available. So how is it different from the existing market, commodities, let's say?
So the jammers which are available in the markets are very expensive. But when compared to us, it is very expensive. We made it using a small budget.
How big was the budget?
It was around 500 to
And
600.
it works? I mean, do you have a demo of that, like a video recording or of anything?
Yes, sir, we have it. Madhu?
Sir, I think there's a problem in sharing the screen.
Okay. Do we have a demonstration to show?
I think some network issue. I have played the video, but it is not
Okay.
screening.
Okay.
Ma'am, is that screen visible?
Screen is available.
This is a slide. We are seeing a slide.
This is the demo for project.
Okay.
Looks like I missed the last 30 seconds. If you can play the video with your system sharing, I think there is a setting which says that you can share the system
Yeah,
sound.
it is visible. It's moving, but not fully visible. It's moving. Okay. You are moving the screen. That image you are moving, but video is not playing. Okay.
I've
Yeah, I think
played
that's
the
okay.
video.
I think
Okay, no problem. The thing is, what will be the final output of your project?
The entire cell phone signal will be jammed, ma'am.
How long?
Till the switch is again switched off.
Okay. You are not fixing timing. 1 hour, 2 hour, or half an hour like that. You are not fixing any timing.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, sir. Any other question?
I'm good. I think.
Okay. You can stop sharing your screen. Yes. So, all the best. The present.
Thank you, Team Golden Triangle. The results will be out on June 1st, so please wait until then. Good luck, team.
Yeah. You can leave the Google
Thank
Meet.
you, ma'am.
Hmm.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Our next team, Bugs Crushers from GNITC, will now present their project titled Empowering Futures at Guru Nanak Institutions.
No one joined. Abhay. Abhay, are you
Ma'am, they
there?
are coming.
Okay.
Ma'am, they are coming.
Team joined?
1 minute, ma'am. One more teammate is left, ma'am.
Let them join. You can start your session because we are running short of time. Uma?
Okay, ma'am. Good morning.
Are you there? 1 minute. Uma, are you there? Uma? Okay, Ashrita, you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
start. No, about the team you should tell now.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second, ma'am. My teammate Roshan will present you
Okay,
the.
okay. Okay, Jason is also there. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, respected jury members, faculty, and participant present over here. My name is Ashrita, and I am from Guru Nanak Institutions of Technical Campus from Telangana State. Roshan, unmute yourself, please. Roshan, your voice is unable to hear. Please unmute.
The participants must keep their video on while explaining.
Okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute. One more person yet to join.
Yeah.
Ashita, you can start.
Good morning, respected jury members, faculties, and participant present over here. My name is Ashrita, and I am from Guru Nanak Institutions of Technical Campus from Telangana State.
Myself, Roshan, from Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus, Telangana State.
I'm Yashaswini from Guru Nanak Institutions Technical Campus, Telangana State.
Our title of the project is Empowering Futures at Guru Nanak Institutions. We have selected this title because to enhance the website of our college. And here is where our latest features of website begins. The abstract of our project is easy online submission is based on web application. It is designed to solve a specific problem of assignment submission. By using Python code, we have created the website. And with simplicity and efficiency, user can easily submit assignment and check the status. Main objective of our project is to know the status and mark submission supported by the website. And our table of contents are about the project, major requirements, project goals, sneak peek, project stages, our team. And what we are working on security, accessibility,
fast and reliable. When it comes to security, secure registrations and assignment submission can be done. Accessibility, user-friendly accessible can be done. It can be accessible anywhere. And fast and reliable, 24/7 support, easy and faster interface can be done. About the project, our main objective of the project for the empowering features at GNI web application are to create a user-friendly platform that enables efficient management of data and interactions. And these objectives aim to enhance productivity and deliver a satisfying user experience. Major requirements of our project. There are three major requirements: documents, assignment status, notifications. When it comes to documents, any type of document can be updated. Assignment status, it can track the status and submission confirmation can be done. And notification, easy and editable updates can be notified. Our goals. Main goals of our project are usability, functionality, performance. Prioritizing the intuitive design and smooth navigation to ensure a satisfying experience for users, we use usability. And functionality, develop a robust user-friendly web application using Flash to achieve the desired functionalities. Performance, by optimizing the code and database queries to enhance the application speed and responsiveness. Sneak peek. The main thing what we are including in the project are search, document, notification, grading and status. There are three main steps in our project. First step is register and login. Second step, it is check updates. Third step is about submission. This is our bug squashes team. Now our teammate Roshan will present you the demo and I will be explaining that. These are the files which we have created to create the website. By entering, this is our code. It is of 600 lines. We have minimized it to 600 lines because to faster application. Now, by using the command prompt, we have used command prompt. By using Python space app.py, we have to by using this command, and we have to enter the command, and there we can see the local machine address. We have used local machine address because local machine address we have used because we did not deploy the project. That's why we have used the local machine address. And now this is our main page of our project. First we have to register. Registration should be done in the project. Username, password, name, role. In this role, we have included two portals. One is faculty and one is student. Because we have included in one dashboard itself because to minimize the code and to access quickly. And ID and roll number, ID or roll number. If it is a faculty, they'll be entering the ID number. And it is a student, they will be entering the roll number. Now they have to enter the gender, contact number, email. When it comes to email, we have given access only to the to enter the college mail ID. Without entering the college mail ID, we cannot register because we have secured the code. And for the user interface and for the user authentication, to avoid the non-user authentication, we have given only college mail IDs to get registered. And secret code is given. We have to enter the secret code. And we have to register now. When we see, we have entered here a personal mail ID, so it cannot be registered. Now we are entering the college mail ID so that it can be registered. The registration was successful. Now we can log in. We have to enter the password and username which we have entered in the registration page. So the login was successful. So we can see we have entered the page which was successful. And now we can see in the right side user profile. Here by default the user profile photo will be displayed because the user is registering for the first time. By default it will be displayed. If he or she want to change the user photo, they can change. They have that access to change. In this username, name, email, Role. Which role? Either it is a student role or a faculty role. Roll number. We have to because it is a student role. Roll number have been displayed. If it is a faculty role, faculty portal, the ID will be displayed here. Contact number and gender. Now let us enter assignment name, and we have to select the file. Submit the assignment. So assignment was submitted successfully. Now submitted assignments. When it go to submitted assignments, we can see we have the student have submitted the assignment and status not evaluated, marks not given, because the faculty did not evaluated and he or she did not awarded the marks. Notifications. In this notifications, whatever the notifications that are created by the faculty, those notifications will be displayed in this notification dashboard, notification tab. Now log out. It have two options like OK or cancel. If we want to really log out, you can click on OK. Now my teammate Roshan will explain about faculty portal.
So I'm now logging into the faculty portal. This was the default I gave for the faculty portal. So now I'm logging into it. So the student Yashashwini is submitted the assignment week 2 WT. So now I am evaluating the assignment. I'm checking the assignment whether. So it is not a it is an incorrect assignment. So I'm changing it into rejected state, marks 0, and I'm submitting, evaluating. If in case we submitted the faculty accepted the assignment, the list of accepted assignments will be shown, displayed here. So before we rejected the assignment, so the assignment was rejected and came into the rejected tab. Now my teammate Yashashwini will continue the search tab.
Here, this is an search tab. The main goal of this search tab is to know the student assignment status and marks evaluated, whether the student is available in the database or not. For example, we show you a student data. As you can see, when we search the student name in search bar, we will get the database of the student in the search result. When we click on student name, it shows the list of particular student assignments that they have been submitted. Then we'll go to the notification tab. Here we have created this notification tab to give any updates to the students. Now we'll show you the sample of this notification tab about how it works and how we have to create. Now we'll have to click on create a notification. When we
the time is up. So
ma'am, last 2 minutes, ma'am. Just come. We are about to come.
We can give 1 minute only, not more than that.
Okay. Now we can see the title and content. Enter the title and the content of the notification. Then you have to click on create notification. You'll get a notify that you have created the notification successfully. So in a few websites, to create the notification, they will delete the they have to delete the notification and recreate the new notification. So to solve that problem, we have created an edit option. So faculty can update the notification with data and a date and timestamp. This is the features of the notification tab, and we have to click on. Lastly, we click on logout button.
So this
Now,
is our project. This is our project. We are even working on further updates like face detection, login, attendance, calendar, and percentage also. Thank you.
Okay. Sir, any questions?
Yeah. So when you said notification, right? Is that an SMS? Is that an email? What kind of notification?
No, sir. The notifications will be displayed for students. Once I will show, like 1 minute, sir.
No. Listen to the question first, Roshan. Sir is asking, is it a SMS or email or anything else?
In the portal,
Just
it will
answer.
be displayed
Don't show
to the
no.
student.
Just answer the questions.
It will be displayed to the student in the student portal.
But the student has to log in to see the notification, right?
Yes, sir.
But the student won't know that he has to log in.
Sir, because as it is a submission portal, the student has to check every day whether the new assignment was uploaded or not.
Okay. That sounds fine, but I think the best way is to automate even further, right? You don't want the students to be logging in and having
SMS also, sir.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what is your front end and back end?
Sir, front end we are using, by back end we are using Python, and front end we are using HTML and CSS.
Okay, so where you are saving your data? Are you saving the data?
Yes, we are storing in database, and as it is local machine, we are storing in our PCs. When it is coming, when we deploy, it will store in cloud.
Okay, how many tables you are having?
2 tables, assignment and notifications.
What about faculty data and student data? Where you are saving?
It is in the user. I will show one minute now.
No, don't show, just answer.
As it is assignment database, in the assignment database, it will be this having 2 tables. One is users, logins, and assignments.
Okay, sir, any other question?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks.
All the best.
Thanks.
You can leave the session. Stop scaring.
Thank you,
your
Dean
student.
Bugs Crashers. The results will be announced on 1st June, so stay tuned. Now we have our next team, Brains Yas from KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology, Tamil Nadu, with the title EnviroScan Network. The floor is yours. Please continue.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. You can start your session.
I hope you are doing well. Thank you for this great opportunity. I'm Soundarya, and he is my teammate. His name is Vijay. We are from Triple Department at KPR Institute of Engineering and Technology in Tamil Nadu. It is a pleasure to be here to present our project, EnviroScan NetNow. These are the agendas which we are going to see in upcoming slides, which includes introduction, problem statement, problem outcome, and some applications. Problem statement. In our present markets, there are so many LIDAR scanners are available, but the prices which is too high. The cost of the LIDAR scanner starts from 6,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees, and it is available up to the 1 lakh rupees. The performance can be varied according to the price. So as a beginner, we cannot afford that price amount to be implemented in our projects. If you consider any real-time application which incorporates the LIDAR system, the overall cost will be high due to the implementation of LIDAR system. In a survey, we have found that the system which uses LIDAR system, up to 40% the cost is consumed by the LIDAR implementation. Next. Objective. The ultimate aim of our project is to reduce the cost of the LIDAR scanner. We are trying to build the LIDAR scanner which is affordable for the beginner students and intermediate project applications. The next will be explained by him.
So good afternoon, sir and ma'am. So I'm going to explain about the process flow of this project. So the process flow of this project consists of 5 steps. The first one is hardware setup. So we first conclude the microcontroller and LIDAR sensor, in which series LIDAR sensor we are using in these applications, and basic components that will give us a 3D axis 3D axis output for our 3D image rendering image applications. So the second step is software setup. So we have developed a web interface to monitor the real-time data, and we also developed a 3D image render using Python. So the third step is to test the compatibility of hardware and software in this application. So we have collected some 3D data of basic components like square, cube, and we implemented that data into the system, and we have tested. So the fourth step is 3D image rendering. So the data we collected from the web server is implemented in our 3D image render. So we have tested it successfully. And the final step is real-time testing. So to test the real-time outcome, we have tested in that some applications like scanning our real environment in the room and in our classrooms. So we have obtained a great output also. So the project outcomes consists of affordability, remote access, and also real-time environment scanning. So affordability. So the main thing we have developed this project is affordability of LIDAR system for any applications. So the next outcome is real-time scanning. So for any applications in LIDAR or automatic monitoring system, we can use this LIDAR sensors to get higher precision and accuracy for scanning. The last outcome is data monitoring. So if you use any system to monitor the real-time data for any real-time applications, you can implement this project for that application. So the success rate. So while implementing this project in a real-time environment, we obtain the success rate of 75%, which is quite good enough for the first prototype. So the next step of this prototype is to develop to achieve a success rate about 85% by tuning our algorithms. So applications will be the applications are robotics. So every robot use some sensors to scan the real-time environment. For example, automatic vacuum cleaner. So automatic vacuum cleaner uses LIDAR scanning to scan our real environment, and it create a map so that it can clean all the corners in our environment. So but the problem in that is the overall cost is obtained by LIDAR system. So if the LIDAR system is cheap and affordable, every applications can include this and get high efficient outputs. So the next is comprehensive data collection. So if you have to collect any data of our ecological structure, we can use image processing. But the problem in image processing is when you using image processing, you cannot determine the accurate distance and the structures of the ecological structure. So while using data from the sensor, you can accurately monitor and collect data of the ecological structure, and you can use in also augmented reality. So now augmented reality is taking a good place in this time. So this can be implemented in a basic augmented reality application also. So conclusion. So the main objective of this project is to reduce the cost of the LIDAR systems. Why we dive into this project? The reason is, so we too are pursuing specialization in embedded system in our electrical and electronic engineering. So we tend to do a project in a autonomous vehicle. So for that, we first try to select a LIDAR system. So while searching on LIDAR costs, we found that a basic LIDAR system is costing around 10,000 to 8,000 rupees. So as a first beginners, we cannot afford that much of cost for a single sensor. So we split our project into two phases. The first phase is to develop an LIDAR system, and then incorporating it with the autonomous vehicle. So this is the motto of this project, and we have completed the first phase of our project successfully. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Demonstration is not there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, ma'am.
Item 19. Camera on.
So this is the web server you can in which you can monitor the real-time data, ma'am. Why we have developed this web server? So in any application, if the user have the interface to monitor the real-time data, it will help both of us to refine the applications. So you can see the system is scanning the distance right now. So the distance is directly updating in the web server. So we have used some techniques to import the real-time data into a database. So after importing the data into our database, we will render it to a 3D image, ma'am.
Can you show your robot?
Sorry, is the demo done, or are you done with the
Yes,
demo?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what does this actually do here? I mean, I'm seeing these numbers show up on the right,
Sir.
angle 1, angle 2, distance.
Sir.
So it's basically laser is measuring the topography of the environment.
Yes, sir. So the we cannot directly render a 3D image using some sensors. So the sensor will give a output in scalar form only, sir, 2D dimension. So to get the 3D data, we have to incorporate any other system to get a 3D view. So we use the servo motors. The servo motor will rotate in X and Z. So the Y will be detected by the sensors.
So essentially, this data is being pulled from that hardware infra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The data from the hardware is directly imported to the web server, and the web server will export the data into an Excel sheet or any other database that we have created.
What will be the practical usage of this, right? As you said, augmented reality is one, maybe autonomous vehicle is another one, but those are very expensive ones. But how is this going to make a difference? Like what is the USP that you have over the existing market, available things?
Yes, sir. So that's the first motto of this project, sir. So if you are getting any 3D image using machine learning algorithms, we can implement autonomous vehicles, sir. Or we can use some algorithms to directly change the directions if any object is directed in front of it. So if the distance is directly imported to the web server. So if we can set a threshold distance like 40 centimeters, if the system is detected any hindrance in 40 centimeter, the vehicle can monitor if there is any hindrance in angle 120 degree or 180 degree. If there is no any hindrance in other sides, it can automatically turns. So we can develop algorithms like that. So.
Okay. And what is the embedded system technology that you have used here?
So embedded system defines that application of hardware and software in both application of hardware into a system, sir. So we have developed both a software and a hardware based model into a single system.
Okay. Cool. Awesome. Thank you. Great demo.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, team. The results will be out in June 1st, so stay tuned.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have Team Phoenix from GNITC with the title Fraud Detection for Reselling Electronics. Please proceed. Ma'am, they seem to have a network issue. Please give us a minute.
Which team? Abhay? Ah. Uma,
Ma'am, they are coming.
they are joining. Okay. Sixth team, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Chaitanya and Venkatesh, you can start the presentation. Chaitanya and Venkatesh, start your presentation. Am I audible? Chaitanya and Venkatesh, am I audible?
Our teammates yet to be joined.
Okay,
Waiting
till
for-
then you can start the session. Don't wait for them.
Just a minute, ma'am. Our team is joined.
Okay. What's your team name?
Team Phoenix.
Phoenix. Okay. I hope everyone joined. Shiv-Prasad, on your videos. Venkatesh, Chaitanya, on your video. Yeah, on the video and start your session, presentation. How many are there in your team? Huh? You are mute.
4 members, ma'am. This team.
3 members?
4.
No, ma'am,
Four
it is
people.
4.
Okay, okay.
There's one more to join.
Yeah, yeah. Abhay, admit them.
Let's start.
Yes, ma'am. He's in. Ma'am. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, audible.
Yes, ma'am. He is in.
Start the presentation. We are
Okay,
giving
ma'am.
10 minutes time, you know that.
Okay. And good afternoon, everyone. This is Team Phoenix, and here are our team members, Mr. Naga Chaitanya and Shiva Prasad and Ajay Rangaraju, and myself, Nikita. And here we are just to start an application that is fraud detection for reselling and goods and services. And uh, first of all, I thank for this opportunity. And next, let's go into our introduction. Next slide. And abstraction. Here, the Pastic is an web application in which we can make show that whenever we lost an any things or etc., then we can communicate with the person who have found that, and we can collaborate with him, and we can regain the device or object which we have lost. This is an user-friendly interface in which it may track the devices with an unique numbers like IMEI, etc. Instead of we complete to the police and etc., it takes a very large time. So that if it is in public domain in which we can interface the people and the public, so that we can minimize the time which we can make it very simple and easy. And also, as we can see the statistics, it have been making more and more stolen items in the by year, so that this is the thing we have built for more more efficiency and time reducing. And this is the case where we can see for fault cases, that is if someone have a stolen an item, and when he sell to some other else, when the station, the owner who have uh, made and complaint, and the policeman tracks to that mobile, so that the man who have purchased the second hand mobile will get punished, so that they may get false victims also. So that for minimizing this, we have made this thing. We can detect the fraud detection. And introduction also that in this world, gadgets and electronic devices are made a very important role in this thing, so that for losing of theft and everything, we have built this website for making the collaboration between the people itself, and making and with unique IDs and etc. and details, we are making them to give for the people, or make them to found the things itself. And next further be uh, and let me hand over this to the Chaitanya.
Chaitanya, you are on mute.
Sorry. Good morning, everyone. The idea comes here is when we lost something, some electronic, it is very valuable, and also it is a part of our life. For the for getting it back, we made 4-step strategies. Like by using our website, users can report it by the serial number or a unique identity. Like for the mobiles, it will be IMEI number. For vehicles or mechanical technologies, they will be chassis numbers or something else. They will be used as a unique identification numbers. And the step 2 is for the verification and reward. If someone encounters the lost item by the theft person with the identification number, our website reports it to the original user by as an alert, and makes and gives a reward to the one who complained about that, or who encounters in a real. And the buyer safety, all the resources are registered in our website are confidential, nothing is to the public details. By the collaboration uh, with a collaboration of law enforcement, pawn shops, or other second-hand reselling shops, we can make this work in a easy manner without taking long time. We can recover it in a short period of time. And then now next goes to Ajay Rangaraju, handles it from here.
Good afternoon, everyone. Here our idea goes like this. One has to log in with their email to check or buy goods. If any person has lost or robbed his goods, he can file a complaint in our website. This our website stores the person who log in to our website, and this data will be kept confidential. And if a person lost his mobile or any electronic or motor or any other goods, he has to enter our website, and first he has to register his loss or recovery anything. Then our website will take the data from the user, and the data will be stored in our database. If any person who has got the stolen item or any robbed item to his or his premises, he can enter and check for the whether this good is a stolen or missing good, like that. If he want to buy it, he can check it for his safety. Buying and selling both are crime if that good is a stolen good. So that for buyer safety and seller safety, we built our website like this. If he enters into our website and then he checks with the unique code, then our website gives an alert to the person who has already registered his missing complaint in our website, so that the person will get the details who has checked for this item. In that way, he or the person will get the notification, and he can call him, and he can give some reward for recovery, and then we can the person can get his item back. In this way, our website will reduce the fraud in this new era, new technical era. And I hand over to the my friend Shiva Prasad Ganji for further explanation.
Hello everyone. So now we discuss about the achievements of fraud detection. So we can prevent the crime because and recovery of valuables. If someone caught with in reselling or in any other crimes, so we can find that in red-handed. And buyer assurance and community engagement. Uh, by building more and more community in our website, we can detect more lost devices and we can assure the buyer it's a safe and secure product. And we can also maintain all legal frameworks, and we can follow the law enforcement, and it is user friendly because um, we are it is in private domain, and we only allow to check the IMEI number it is lost or um, something. Next conclusion. So, so hereby we conclude that in this modern era, our mobiles and our electronic appliances are like a most important thing because we all save our information in electronic appliances. It is as most as important as our health because every single information can lead to some biggest disaster. Um, that's why we have an idea. We shared this idea about fraud detection. Thank you.
Is there any demonstration available? No, ma'am. Okay. Sir, any questions?
Yeah, so the basic logic of detecting is this because people will report stolen items. That's when the system will recognize this is a probably a lost or a sold item, um, sorry, a lost item by someone else, and that's how you will figure out that this is mostly a stolen item. Did I get that
Yes.
logic correctly, or is something else?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 What kind of technology did you use to build this? I didn't see a demo, obviously, but what are you thinking of building using with?
We have a demo, but only homepage is ready, sir, not the background. Backend not yet ready.
Okay. Cool. I think that's good. I'm done with this. Rajashree?
No question, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Team Phoenix. The results will be out in June 1st, so stay tuned. Now you can leave the meet.
Thank you.
Next up, we have Team Rights Adventure from RMK College of Engineering and Technology, Tamil Nadu, with the project titled Development of Gamified Platform on Children's Right to Increase Legal Literacy and Awareness Among Children in India. Please proceed.
Okay, all your team members joined? Babika?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you can start the presentation.
Okay. Kokila, please present.
Your team
Ma'am, 1
name.
minute, ma'am. One of our team members is yet to join, ma'am.
No, your team name.
Rights Adventure.
Okay.
Each team will be given 10 minutes time for presentation. Start
Okay,
your
ma'am. 1 minute,
presentation.
ma'am. Ma'am, please let you accept Kokila's request.
Request is not came. Yeah.
Praneeth. Praneeth.
Request
Check
is
the
not
problem.
came, ma'am.
Share your presentation, ma. For sharing, there is no request required.
Ma'am, Kokila is our PPT, ma'am. Just 1 minute, ma'am.
She has to join, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell her to join immediately. Or else the one who is present, they can start their presentation. Additional time will not be given. The given time only you have to utilize. Jovita, on your video. Yes, Babika, what happened? Babika?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
What
sorry, ma'am.
happened?
She actually. Ma'am, actually, she joined, but no one lets her in accept her request, ma'am.
No,
Her
once again
name is
ask her to
Kokila.
join. Ask her to join again.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Panel 2, she has to join. What happened?
Ma'am, actually, she tries more than 2 times, but
No,
our request
she's
was
there.
not.
We are admitting her. We are admitting her.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, she joined.
Thank you, ma'am.
Start your presentation.
Kokila, please present the PPT.
And where is Jovita? Okay, Kokila, start your presentation fast. Don't waste the time.
Sorry for the delay, ma'am. Can we start?
Yeah, you can start.
Okay. Good morning to one and all present here. We are Team Rides Adventure from RMK College of Engineering and Technology, Tamil Nadu, here to present our project. We are a team of 3. I am Babika. My team members are Jovita and Kokila. Our project is nothing but a development of unified platform to increase legal literacy and awareness among children in India. So that's why we came up with this project. This app is fun and interactive platform through which children will learn the concepts about the rights, which will empower them to stand for themselves. Kokila, can you change the slide? Key features.
Now let's see about the key features of our app. Firstly, we provide escape room adventure in which the children, after learning the concepts, will be able to escape from the real life situation we provide them, which will enhance their problem solving skill and build up their confidence. Secondly, we provide 3D art galleries in which, since this generation of kids loves learning through pictures and stuff, we will provide them the art and sculptures representing the child's rights. Then, thirdly, we provide AI debate. The children, after learning the concept, will be able to have conversation about them, and this will help their communication skills. Then, virtual field trip. In this, we will take them through a virtual tour of
All
the
the
famous
participants must keep their videos on. Participants must keep their videos on.
Then, yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
Improve their communication skills. Then, in virtual field trip, we provide them a tour of famous child right locations. And last, we provide rewards so that we are making them engaged with our app. We also provide fun meals and party pops to engage them, and we also provide a chocolate shower in our app. Then, novelty. As for our research, we found that there is no such app implemented, but an app called Nayabandhu, which is owned by lawyers and advocates who provide legal advice to the client who approach them. Now, hence, our app is completely different, where we focus on educating the children through fun and interactive games.
Yes. As we are developing a gamified platform, so we incorporate some gamification elements like puzzles, quizzes, and learning modules and animated videos. Quizzes and gamification makes learning fun and interactive by testing their knowledge. We provide 3 levels in quizzes: easy, advanced, hard. In easy level, we ask simple questions about rights, and in advanced level, we ask players to guess the main characters' names from the animated story. Lastly, in hard level, we provide a scenario and players has to guess what they would do on that scenario. In learning modules, we provide structured content in simple words so that kids can easily learn the concepts by reading the modules themselves. Animated videos plays a crucial role in our application, which helps the children to easily grasp the ideas through animation rather than traditionally text-based methods. Next, puzzles. In puzzles, we provide 4 categories, which is memory match, word search, egg puzzle, and spot the difference. User can choose a category according to their interest, but we ensure each category aims to teach them the respective rights. Next slide.
This is our app interface. First, there is a welcome page. When you click on to the start button, you will be moved to this interface where we divided into kids and children. kids will come under the age category of 8 to 12, and 13 to 16 is children mode. Kids can directly click kids mode and they can enter, while we for children can click create mode so that they can sign up, or if they are already login, if they already sign up, they can enter through login. Then when they enter, we'll have this slide where we provide animated videos and quizzes and puzzle. They can learn through the rights through animated videos by clicking over here. Then they can take quizzes and puzzle. The quizzes app interface will be like this, where if you click quizzes 1, it will be redirecting to a page with quizzes about the rights that we have made. Then these are the animated videos that we made for the children. Then the languages that we are using here are, for backend we are using Python Node.js, and frontend we are using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For game development, we are using tools like Unity, Android Studio, Flutter, and Phaser. For mobile app development, we are using Java. The special features of our app includes content for disabled people, like the visually impaired and deaf and dumb. For deaf and dumb, we provide videos along with the sign language, and the visually impaired, we provide text contents along with AI voice assistants. Then counseling service, we also provide disabled students real-time psychiatrists to communicate with them, so that they will be more engaged. Then we also provide motivational stories for them, in which about the achievers and the victory person of the with disabilities will be there, so that they can be more motivated and move on. Then we also provide news column, where we'll keep them updated with the current opportunities for them. Then, as I said before, visually impaired children, we are providing AI voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. And for hearing impaired and speech impaired, we are providing sign languages, so that they can be easily engaged with our content.
In conclusion, the development of gamified platforms for children's rights offer a dynamic learning environment where children learn their own rights. With the implementation of this platform, we ensure that the ultimate goal is to educate the children about their rights and empower them to assert those rights for themselves. Thank you, ma'am.
Do you have any demonstration?
Yes, ma'am. As we already shown the pictures.
Execution.
Yes, ma'am. So we go. This is our implementation, ma'am.
Okay.
As we are providing two categories, which is kids and children.
What is the difference between kids and children?
Kokila, explain.
Ma'am, kids, it is under the age category like 8 to 11, ma'am. For them, we explain in whiteboard animation, so that they can easily grasp the ideas, ma'am. While for children, we'll provide to their age category, ma'am, the contents.
Okay.
Here it is, if they are want to draw their scenarios, they can draw over here and sketch their things, ma'am, so that kids can be more engaged in the platform, ma'am.
Do you see any drawbacks of this?
Sorry, sir.
You see any drawbacks? For example, promoting people to for more and more mobile phone usage, right? That's a big drawback that I see. It's a good concept. Definitely, people, children can get some learning through this program. So these are great ideas. But I think it's a disadvantage to this. So do you have any other alternative to not using mobiles?
So we are maintaining screen time, sir, so that they can be engaged only to that particular hour. We'll be reminding them you're out of time, like that, sir, so that they will be moving off.
Okay. Did you think of any language support, because not every kid will be using English, right?
Yeah, sir. We are trying to implement in regional languages as well, sir, like Tamil, Telugu.
Um, yeah, I think working demo definitely would have been much more. I think what you have is just so working demo would have been much better. But I understand it's going to be a little bit costly to build this, because game development plus graphics is not going to come for cheap. So yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
You can leave the session.
Okay.
Thank you, Teams Right Adventure. The results will be out in first. Next, we have our next team, Daring Dynamo, from Boothready Engineering College for Women, with the title Med Guide. Please proceed.
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. So good afternoon, everyone.
Participants need to on their video compulsory. On your videos and start.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Nidisha, and we are from Bojedi Engineering College from Telangana. We are going to present our idea about doctor recommendation and disease prediction system. I'm going to share the PPT, ma'am.
Okay.
Kalyani?
Yeah. Start sharing.
My friend Kalyani is going to share, ma'am. So good afternoon, ma'am. We are team Daring Dynamo presenting our idea Med Guide.
Our project aims to address the critical issue of healthcare accessibility by providing preliminary healthcare assessment, comprehensive medical guidance, and streamlined specialist referrals. Our journey began with recognizing the accessibility gap and information overload prevalent in healthcare. Now let's dive into how medical guide tackles the challenges head on. In our approach to addressing an accessibility gap and information overload, we have developed a methodical process. The first one is symptom enhancement. We understand the importance of accurate symptom interpretation by integrating symptoms from trusted sources like disorders.com and WordNet and employing the similarity analysis. We ensure precise symptom understanding. Second one is data collection and pre-processing. Building a robust database is key. We meticulously gather and clean data from diverse sources, standardizing symptoms for consistency and reliability. Third one is model training and evaluation. We train multiple machine learning models and rigorously evaluate the performance. This iterative process allows us to identify the most effective model for disease prediction. And the fourth one is disease prediction. Leveraging the best performing model, we predict diseases based on user inputs and symptoms. Our system offers probabilistic assessments, empowering users with valuable health insights. The last one is doctor recommendation. We have implemented a robust recommendation system for specialized doctors, utilizing a curated database based on expertise and patient satisfaction ratings. Users receive timely and suitable medical recommendation. Now coming to disease data collection and pre-processing, we gather diseases and symptoms from reliable web sources. We then clean and refine the symptom data by breaking it down into individual terms, lemmatizing to reduce redundancy and removing stop words for clarity and precision. This rigorous pre-processing ensures the accuracy and effectiveness of our subsequent analysis and modeling the task. Now, we also created visual representations to better understand our data. The first graph shows the frequency of the top 20 most common symptoms with frequency on the bottom and symptoms on the right. This highlights the most prevalent symptoms in our dataset. The second graph illustrates the distribution of the number of symptoms per disease with the number of symptoms on the bottom and frequency on the left. This helps us to understand how the symptoms are distributed across the different diseases. Now Nidisha is going to continue.
Yes, ma'am. Am I visible? Yes, ma'am. Now here we have doctors data collection and pre-processing. Here we have taken the data from the different data sets that are present over, and we have also calculated normalized satisfaction rate. This normalized satisfaction rate is very important because it helps in calculation of the patient satisfaction rate and the pre-processing is also done. And in the next slide we'll see the doctor's data. Like how do we take the doctor's data? What is exactly happening here? This data set features, it consists of all the characteristic traits of like the name of the doctor for easy identification of the patient. And also, as you can see in the bar graph, it also tells us about the specialization of the doctor in that particular field, like the percentage of specialization of the doctor in that particular field. And also moving down, we also see the symptoms data enhancement, which is nothing but we also use a Jacket index, ma'am. Here we also use different NLTK tools, ma'am, so that for the purpose of web scraping and if we are easily identifying the inputs taken by the user, we use for synonyms we use thesaurus and wordnet. And moving to model training, here we are using a machine learning model, ma'am, which is nothing but LR classifier. This LR classifier is very much useful and it helps in identifying about which model is used more and which has a greatest accuracy. And coming to disease prediction, depending upon the inputs that is given by the user or the patient, we are using the disease is being predicted, and common co-occurring systems are also being recommended. Also, the particular doctor, depending upon the specialization, for if the patient is giving specialized inputs regarding the cold, fever, etc., what specialization of the doctor need to be recommended. Everything is done with the help of our idea, ma'am. So now we are going to show the working model, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. I'll be sharing screen. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So here, this is prediction and doctor recommendation system. Here, if you give the symptoms, it will take, ma'am. For example, I'm having the problem of muscle cramps, and example bleeding comes. And when I submit the symptoms, here top matching symptoms from my search, like what are the symptoms that are being matched, like bleeding gums and muscle cramps. And now if I select submit selected symptoms, the common co-occurring symptoms of all these things. If I select bleeding gum, like what are the common co-occurring symptoms? Am I facing bad breath problem or loose teeth, or is it painful? So I'm facing loose teeth and red and swollen. So if I select these symptoms and if I submit the additional symptoms, and top diseases that are predicted, ma'am, depending upon the symptoms that are being given over here. And also depending upon the top disease, bleeding gums is a top disease, no, ma'am. So all the information about the bleeding gums is also being given. And if I want to know information about if I have oral cancer or not, all the information about this oral cancer is also given properly. And also, as I have also said, ma'am, our important thing is doctor prediction, and we can also show doctor recommendations. And we click on this, the doctor as of now particular doctor is oncologist, ma'am, but there is no problem. So what we have to do, we can select bleeding gums, etc., anything. And and once again, if we want that particular doctor, ma'am, then we'll get the doctor name, ma'am. Once I'm going to show. Depending upon our inputs, ma'am, it will vary. Like it is not particularly chosen in that particular way. So here the most predicted disease is cholera, and when I ask about doctor recommendation, it will show me a doctor recommendation regarding it. This is a doctor recommendation about that particular doctor, like doctor name Wasim Iqbal. If I want to know about the profile of that particular doctor, it will navigate into this profile. It will tell me of how the doctor is, what is the patient satisfaction rate, diagnosis, etc. And if I want to know about one more disease other than cholera also, even then, if a heart attack, then who is the doctor? For this same, Wasim Iqbal is also the doctor who can also treat heart attack. In the same way, our model works, ma'am.
Sir, any questions?
Yeah. So definitely a good practicality from situation to situation. Who is going to use it? And I know it's expensive to keep the model really data. So yeah, I think what is the practical usage that you have? This is looks like for people like you and me who definitely have some symptoms can go and search for it. But how can we take it to the next level?
So coming to the
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, I think there is an echo. Somebody
Sir,
has.
users who doesn't have proper practical knowledge about these medicinal things, and also in that there is numerous information available about this, and people get confused to
On
what
your
actually.
video. On your
Yes.
video.
Am I visible, ma'am?
No, you are not visible.
Give me a minute. I actually on my video is on.
I think that's okay, Raj. We can move on.
So for the question you asked, like people might not be knowing what's about deep knowledge about all the diseases which they have predicted, sir. So according to which, so in the same way, we have prepared this model because in our family recently, this is a real case, sir. Like a person suffering from bronchitis, we have understood that it was pneumonia. We were not understanding what was he suffering, which we thought it's not because of pollution and all. And depending upon that case, we have taught about the idea so that people can easily access for easily knowing about what disease they are suffering with, what are the symptoms related to, like what are different types of diseases which have the same symptoms, like there are different types of variations are possible, no sir.
Definitely, I think as I said, right? But the practical utility is matters. Today I had research as well. I can go and look for all those symptoms and it gives me possible things. And there's a ton of information which may actually be misleading, right? So when you build a system, you think of doing that job simple, and not as a patient should be able to understand what doctor is saying. So doctor should be this system, which it definitely helps give some right advices. But good concept, I think, doing the practical implementation with the next level of LLM introduction, integration will be definitely be useful.
Yes sir, it's actually in a list, sir. We are definitely going to work in it in the future.
Sure. Yep, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. You can do the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you to Dean Dynamo. The results will be out at first, so stay tuned.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
As we approach the conclusion of this remarkable event, it is imperative to acknowledge the collective effort and dedication that has made Virtual Vista 1.0 a resounding success. To express our deepest gratitude to everyone involved, I have the honor of inviting Rajshri ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks. Ma'am, over to you.
There are two more teams, no, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Two more teams are there. They are not coming?
No, ma'am.
Only 8 teams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good afternoon. Actually, this Virtual Vista 1.0 is a good opportunity for the students, those who have done their projects. And now, actually, in our in our JNTU's syllabus, we are having from second year onwards real-time projects. So that's why it is this particular project expo is open for second year to final year. All the students can participate with their own projects, or they can give the demonstration of the academic project, whatever is possible. And this is actually a very good opportunity for the students, and all the teams, 8 teams, they have presented very well, but they need some more enhancement for their projects, where they are having in their demos and all more text and all, they are using English only. So few things they have to modify and do it. And those students are not there to tell all these things, but definitely this particular project expo will help the students to improve their projects and come up with more and more such projects which will help the society mainly. You should not do a project which is already done by someone else. If you are taking such projects, you have to enhance them or extend them. You should not do the same project. So if you have some good idea on your own, you can do it. You can do it, but you can extend or enhance any projects which is already done by others. It is better to explore a lot, do research, and whatever ideas you are having, try to implement them in a practical way. So that will definitely help our society and overall the country and the world also. It's a good opportunity. Thanks for giving me opportunity as an internal jury. And I was doing earlier also this. Uh, from the beginning when they started giving us projects, we have done some evaluation. Based on that only 50 teams selected. So thanks for giving me this opportunity. Especially I thank our HOD madam and management for giving this opportunity. And good what to say work and support by student coordinators. All the student coordinators, they are working. Though sir, we are having actually vacation since 6th, not 6th. After the 6th, that is the 13th onwards, we are having the vacation. So during that period till today, students are working in their home online only. Thanks a lot for students also.
I would
Thank you,
like,
ma'am.
excuse me, I would like to hear a few words from our industry experts. Mr. Rauf sir, how you found this particular event, and what are your views on this particular event?
Oh yeah, thank you for the invite here. So I definitely felt a lot of exciting demos here, especially to see that the second year engineering students are uh, doing such a great job in picking up some great ideas. Sure, there are some opportunities to do better, but the way they have demonstrated today, makes me feel great about how the quality of education overall in India has picked up. And I'm sure this is definitely a good learning step for all of them, which will make them do better next time, and that obviously will also fine tune them for even future sort of presentations and idea pitching. um, Great set of ideas, great set of updates here. Happy to see, and the way people have presented it is also makes me feel proud of what is happening in overall in India, and how education overall is prepping students to become the next generation leaders here. um, and the- and I'm like I was just mentioning this in the beginning of the presentation as well, that I've spent a lot of time in US, and when I came back here, after looking at the people who joined from colleges and universities, the level of confidence that they bring in at workplace has been 10 times the fold of confidence that I carried when I graduated 25 years back. So definitely the quality of education is picking up, and the support from HOD, the professors, and the college management, everything is helping students become next generation leaders. Um, and I'm sure there is a lot that we can do and make India steer forward and become the pioneer in innovation and execution as well. AI is picking up. I definitely see AI as the next generation revolutionizing things. So focusing on AI will definitely improve our prospects of doing better in the industry. I also read today this morning in the news that hey, Hyderabad is going to be the AI city in India. So, which is great to see. So, sort of support from the Telangana state leadership, right? To nurture such an environment for people to become experts in something that even US is lagging behind in some of these areas. I recently left Microsoft, but I know what kind of focus we had on AI and Copilot. It has been tremendous, and there's so much encouragement within the company for people to go and learn this next generation technology, and they feel like, hey, this is going to be like the what we have seen the industry revolution with internet, mobile, and whatnot. I think this is going to be the next thing. But thank you for the opportunity to be here and look at the demos and provide my input.
Thank you very much, sir. It was a great opportunity for our participants also to have their projects, their ideas getting evaluated by an expert like you who has worked for several years in the industry, because this is in this platform students are really expecting something. Somebody should give them a quite good direction also, in good inputs for making their ideas to actually applicable and usable for the society.
Yep.
So it was a great honor for us also, sir, as a team of Virtual Vista. I thank you for being a jury member for our this panel. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thanks to Rajeshri Manam. She is an internal jury for the first round also, and here also she has done. Thanks to all the panel members, participants. I congratulate all the participants who have presented their ideas. It already you are winner, as I said in the morning speech also. It requires a great courage to come up with an ideas may be there, lot many ideas may be there, but having the courage to present it and be ready to get the inputs, even in even the idea may look very, very silly, but having the courage to put it up and present it, that itself means that you are winner, you are different from the others who couldn't make it. So congratulations to such students also, and congratulations and thanks to our anchoring and technical team, students teams. Thank you. We will be shortly further conveying the result and other things. It will be on 1st of June. So over to Uma. You may please carry forward the further things. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to all the participants for their exceptional efforts, to our esteemed judges for their invaluable time and insights, and to our organizing team for their unwavering dedication in orchestrating this grand event. Thank you, everyone, for being an integral part of this extraordinary journey. Together, we have created something truly remarkable. Thank you.
Thanks to our external jury, sir, also. Yes, ma'am. Shall we close?
Yes, madam. You may.
Yeah.